What's up guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom. And now the Mi 11X Lite is official now, so let's take a look into that phone. So is it worth buying your money or is it just another Xiaomi phone? Let's find out in this video. So if you are new here, then consider subscribing to our channel Tech Phantom and press that bell icon so you never miss an update from us, and help us reaching out as a 1000 subscriber goal too. So now that we have done that, let's get started. So as the Mi 11 Lite is official now, and here are the specifications of this phone. The phone comes with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 732G processor, which is a letdown at the rupees what it is launched at. Not only that, it comes with a 90Hz refresh rate and also 240Hz of smooth touch sampling rate. And it's the only positive thing about this phone at this price is that it comes with a 10-bit color optimization. On the battery side, it comes with a 4250 mAh battery with a 33 watts of fast charging, and the charger is included in the box. Now the phone also comes with a stereo speaker setups, and which is again a good at this price segment, and the camera is a triple camera setup with a 64 megapixel primary camera, an ultra wide camera, and also a tele macro camera. Now, what the key thing about this phone is that it's one of the slimmest phone of the 2021, which is at 6.8 mm of thickness, and it's the ultra slim, and it will give a competition to the Vivo V21 series, which is also the one of the slimmest and the lightest phone in this segment. Now, if we talk about this pricing of this phone, then this phone comes with a 22,000 rupees for 6 plus 128GB variant. 8 plus 128GB is starts at rupees 24,000. Now this will replace the Mi 10i, and which is again as we can see that the Mi 10i was a 5G phone, but this won't be a 5G phone. And also you can also find the Qualcomm Snapdragon 732G processor smartphone for over 15,000 rupees. So why pay a 20 or the 7,000 rupees extra? So only thing which you will be paying this premium will be for the 6.8 mm of thickness for the phone. Not only that, the first sale of this phone will start on 28 June at 12 PM, and it will be available on the flipkart.com, so you can also find that link in the description below. Now apart from the Mi 11X Lite, Xiaomi has also revealed its Mi Watch Revolve Active, which started rupees 10,000 rupees, and there will be a discount of over 1,000 rupees for the early bird offer. Now that watch also has an SpO2 monitor, and it will be having a 117 sports mode and a 3.53 inch of AMOLED display with a 14 days of battery life. You can find that watch on the Amazon also. Well, if you like this video and this information, and the pre-booking offers are not there on this Mi 11X Lite, so let's wait for what happens with the Mi 11X Lite. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the very next one.